In this video, we are going to cover the update product price tab. So it's really the product price updater. And what this is this gives you an opportunity to do some global edits for your products without having to go into each product and change maybe a price, say for instance. So what's going to happen is you can select the type of product. So I know with this test site for training purposes, we've had mostly just unisex t-shirts. So you can go ahead and hit unisex t-shirts. It's going to pull up all of the unisex t-shirts. Now let's say you're looking for a particular design that you're working with within a campaign that you want to change. You can go ahead and it's going to pull up all of that, or you can also select the colors, and it will have all the colors listed. I think we've only done black and white. So this will pull up all of the unisex t-shirts, and let's say if we just hit black, that are black, okay? And I think the reason why it's pulling up black here is because we forgot to change this when we were doing one of our test videos, so that's why it's also pulling up that white one. But if we just go ahead but select a color, it will pull up everything here. And I actually know we did import some. Let's see if we have some ladies classic t-shirts, because I think we imported some in our last video, which you did. So we do have a couple of other options here. So the cool thing here is that now you can go through, and if you want to change prices, you can do that here. If you want to change shipping prices or just your item price. Now you still have to go through and go to each one, but let's just say you wanted to offer this Mom Life ladies tee for you're running a special and you want to run it for $14.99. Prior to this, you'd have to go to each product, open it up in new tabs, and it was just a pain in the butt, and it was a big time waster. So you would want to obviously adjust these to according to the price. So this might be $15.99, and maybe this is like $16.99. I don't know, just for or whatever. So just for training purposes. So we'll just leave it there, and then on each shirt, you can simply hit the update prices button, and you can see now that updated all those prices. So you have to go through each design and each color for the ones you want to change and update those ones singly, okay? So again, still have to do a little bit of work here, but for the most part, this is saving you a lot of time in case you do want to change your prices on your t-shirts. And that's it on this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next training video.